So in the previous videos you have got psi has no such physical significance, but when you square the psi, that is psi square, it gives the probability of finding the electron at a point. I mean where the electron is exactly present, that you can represent, you can find out by doing psi square. So these are completely mathematical concept. Already you have got the Schrodinger equation. When you solve the Schrodinger equation, you will get some solution, and from that solution you will get the idea about the structure of atom. So when you do psi square, then you will get the idea about the probability of finding the electron at a point. And the three-dimensional space, I mean the three-dimensional space where the probability of finding the electron is maximum, that is called an atomic orbital. Actually, inside the atom, there are some 3D space where the probability of the finding of electron is maximum, and that 3D space is called an atomic orbital. So now you will get the concept of orbital. Atom contains some orbital inside the cell. So what are orbital? Orbital means nothing. It represents a three-dimensional shape where the probability of finding the electron is maximum. Now we'll do the quantum numbers, then you will get the idea about all these things. Actually in class 11 mainly quantum numbers are required. There are 4 quantum numbers. When you get these 4 quantum numbers, then you will get the idea about the information about the electrons present inside the atom. In which cell the electron will be present, in which subcell the electron is present, in which orbital the electron is present. Everything idea you will get from the concept of quantum numbers. So first time, what are quantum numbers? Actually quantum numbers means these are the set of 4 numbers from which you will get the complete information about the electrons present inside the atom. So quantum numbers gives the complete information about the electron. So now the quantum numbers. These are defined as a set of 4 numbers. Set of 4 numbers with the help of which we get the complete information about the electrons, present in an atom. The 4 different quantum numbers are, these are very important for exam. The 4 different quantum numbers are, number 1 is called principal quantum number. Principal quantum number, which is represented by the symbol small n. Second one is called azimuthal quantum number. Which is represented by the symbol L, small l. Third one is magnetic quantum number. Which is represented by ml, l should be in suffix. And the last one quantum number is called spin quantum number. Which is represented by the symbol ms. So normally we use the symbol only, that's why you should know the symbol. Principal quantum number represented by symbol small n, Azimuthal, it is also called angular momentum quantum number. It is represented by L. Magnetic quantum number, it represented by the symbol Ml, and spin quantum number represent Ms. Every quantum number gives some information about the electrons present in atom. So I'll explain one by one quantum number. First time I'll explain principal quantum number, what represent by this one. Then the azimuthal or angular momentum quantum number. This quantum number represent what? So one by one quantum number we will do. Then you will get the idea, or you will get the information about the electrons. Now, what are quantum numbers? Quantum numbers are some numbers from which you will get the complete information about the electrons present in an atom. And there are 4 quantum numbers, and these are principal quantum number, symbol N. Azimuthal or angular quantum number, the symbol is small l. Then magnetic quantum number, symbol is Ml, L should be in suffix. And the last quantum number is spin quantum number, which is represented by Ms. Now, I'll do number 1 quantum number, principal quantum number. Principal quantum number, which is represented by the symbol small n. This quantum number gives the principal energy level, or you can write energy cell, in which the electron belongs. As you have got, it is represented by the symbol N. N can have any integral value except 0. So what represent by N? Mainly N represent, principal quantum number represent the principal energy level. This is the nucleus. These are called energy level or cell. Actually, this quantum number represent these cells. If N is equal 1, N value start from 1, that's why I have written except 0, it represent K cell, first cell. If N value is 2, it represent L cell, second cell. If N is equal 3, it represent M cell. And if N equal 4, it represent N cell. So like this way, this quantum number represent about the different cells present in an atom. So for the first cell, you can write N is equal 1. For the second cell, you can write N equal 2. For the third cell, you can write N equal 3, N equal 4. Initially, you have got an electron is present in third cell. Now you don't get like this. You will get an electron is present in N equal 3 state. That means the electron is present in third cell. An electron is present in N equal 2 state. That means the electron is present in second cell. So like this way, this N value, this principal quantum number represent about different cells present in an atom. Thank you.